Welcome back to new class. Today I will teach you exercise 4.1, chapter 4, algebraic formula and its application. Actually we have to know algebraic formula and algebraic expressions. Let's come back to both. You can see here any deduction expressed by algebraic symbols is called an algebraic formula. So at first you have to know what is called algebraic formula. Any deduction expressed by algebraic symbols is called an algebraic formula. Just a plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. You can say a minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square, or a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square twice ab twice bc twice ca. These are the formula. Lots of formula, and we have to know corollary also. So and we have to know algebraic expressions. So please come back. Algebraic expression, the meaningful combinations of algebraic numbers and the operational signs are called the algebraic expressions, or briefly expressions. So we have learned today algebraic formula and algebraic expressions. These are the algebraic expressions: 3a, 6ab, twice x plus 3y. This is monomial, this is binomial. Mono means one term, 3a one term, 6ab this is one term, but twice x plus 3y, here is 1 plus 1, here is two terms. So that means this is the binomial, and it's a trinomial, thrice a 2b plus 3c, this is the trinomial. So monomial, binomial, trinomial. If you can see twice a plus 3b plus 4c plus 5d, if you can see four terms, that is called multinomial. So we learn today algebraic formula related maths. So please come back. Firstly we will solve a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square and a plus b plus c whole square type maths. Let's come back to both. You can see here already we have learned what is called formula and what is called algebraic expression. Now we have to find out find the square. Let's come back. You can see find the square. If you can see find the square, you have to learn three formula here. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square, and a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square twice ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, let's come back. Here is find the square. Find the square. Actually this chapter is the basic chapter for class 8, class 9, class 9, 10 and class 7 also. This is a basic chapter for algebra. So find the square. Let's come back. Here is find the square of 5a plus 7b. Therefore you have to write at first square of 5a plus 7b. So 5a plus 7b whole square. This is a, this is b. A plus b whole square. So we have to follow these rules. Formula: a plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Actually when you solve the maths you have no need to write, but you have to keep it in your mind. So this is a and this is b. So we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have got this is a square, here is 2ab plus b square. You can see here a square plus twice ab plus b square. So we will get 25 a square, 5 to the 10 into 7, 70 ab plus 49 b square. You can see here again find the square of 5a plus 7b. Square of 5a plus 7b. So you have to write square of 5a plus 7b equal to 5a plus 7b whole square. So a square plus twice ab plus b square. So 5a whole square. So 5 5s are 25. Here is a square. 5 to the 10 into 7, 70ab plus 49 b square. So we have done maths number 1. Let's come back. We will do maths number 2. So you can see here is math number 2. Here is 7p minus 2q, 7p minus 2q. So you have to write square of 7p minus 2q equal to 7p minus 2q whole square, 7p minus 2q whole square. This is a minus b whole square. You have to follow this this formula, a minus b whole square. Just here is a minus. This is a position and this is b position. That means we will have to do a square minus a b. This is a and this is b. That means this 7p 2q plus 2q whole square, 2q whole square. So here is 7p square, that means 7 7 is 49 p square, 4 2 to the 4, 4 7 is 28 pq plus 4 q square. So you can say this is a plus b whole square type and this is a minus b whole square type. So you have to use a bracket here. Square of 7p minus 2q equal to 7p minus 2q whole square. So we have got a square position, that means 7p whole square minus 2 into 7p into 2q plus 2q whole square. 7 7 is 49 p square minus 2 to the 4, 4 7 is 28 pq plus 4 q square. So we have got maths number 1 and maths number 2. Now we will do maths number 3. Here is square of x minus y. You can see minus x minus y. Already we have done 1 and we have done 2. Now we will do find the square of minus x minus y. So at first you have to write square of minus x minus y. So we will get first bracket started minus x minus y whole square. So we will have to convert this pattern. So here is take second bracket. Now here is minus, here is minus. So take common minus, here is minus, minus minus plus y. Again you can see here is minus, here is minus. I have taken here is minus common. I have taken here is second bracket. Use second bracket. So here is I have taken common minus, minus minus here is plus x, minus minus here is plus y. So we have got x plus y whole square. Now you can see here is minus square but x plus y whole square. That means we can write minus square. So we can write, if you can see here is an example minus 1 whole square, that means we can write 1 because minus minus a plus, minus into minus plus. So according to this method here is we can write here is x plus y whole square. You can see here is x plus y whole square. So if you follow this, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. So here is x plus y whole square. So we can write x square 2xy plus y square. So we have got find the square of x minus y whole square. We have got, at first you have to take minus x minus y whole square. Here is minus, here is minus. For this I have taken common minus. X plus y, here is whole square. Minus s whole square, that means we have got plus x plus y whole square. X square 2xy plus y square. We have got maths number 3. Now we will do this type of maths, a plus b plus c whole square type maths. We can do x square minus y square minus z square in 2 ways. First one, we can convert the maths in this position or this position, or we can do this maths using this method also. So at first we will use a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c type. So let's come back here. Here is x square minus y square minus z square. So we have got x square minus y square minus z square whole square. This is a, this is b and this is c. But here is minus, here is minus. So we can convert, follow the board here. So easily we can convert. If you can see minus a, so if we want to convert into plus, so we can take this position. So here is minus y square. So if we convert, it will easy for you. Here is x square, here is minus, so take plus minus. So we have got x square according to the rules a plus b plus c. You can see here x square plus minus a, again we can come back, go back to minus. So plus minus a minus, again you can take, here is plus, it will easy for you. So we have got now a plus b position plus c position. Follow here a plus b plus c. Now whole square. So now we have got here a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square. Now we have to do a square plus b square plus c square, twice ab twice bc twice ca. Here is a position is x square, b position is minus y square, and c position is minus z square. This is a position, this is b position, and this is c position. Please follow these rules. Formula a plus b plus c. So here is, we can write a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square. Now 2ab, 2ab. So please write 2ab, a b plus 2bc, 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 2ab, 2bc plus 2ca, plus 2ca. You can see here a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc plus 2ca. You can write here 2c, here is c position is z and a position is x square, 2ca. Come back, you can see here is c position is z square, c position z square, and so we have got a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc plus 2ca. Now we draw the bracket, here is square, here is square. We have got x to the power 4 minus minus a plus, we have got here y to the power 4, we have got here is z to the power 4 minus plus a minus 2 x square y square minus minus a plus, plus plus a plus 2 y square z square minus plus a minus 2 x square z square. You can see here again a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we will get square of x square minus y square plus z square. In this maths we can do the maths in two methods. I am doing first method, then we will do the second method. So here is x square minus y square minus z square whole square. So a square plus minus a minus, I have taken here is plus because your formula is plus. So plus minus a minus, I have taken plus minus a minus, I have taken here is plus. So we have got the position of a plus b plus c whole square. Easily we can do this, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here is x square whole square plus minus y square whole square plus minus z square whole square plus 2 into x square into minus y square plus 2 into minus y square into minus z square plus 2 into minus z square into x square. So here is x square square, x to the power 4 minus minus a plus, we have got here y to the power 4 minus minus a plus, we have got here z to the power 4 minus plus a minus 2 x square y square minus minus a plus, plus plus a plus, we have got here 2 y square z square, minus plus a minus 2x square z square. So we have got maths number 4. Now we will do maths number 5. We know a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square twice ab twice bc twice ca. Now we will do here is the square of xy plus yz minus zx. So we can do the maths in two methods. So using a plus b plus c whole square, or we can convert this maths first two terms in a plus b and second one is first one is a and second one is b position. So now we will do at first a plus b plus c method. We will follow this method, then we can do the maths. So here is xy plus yz, but here is minus. Just you have to write one line extra. Here is plus, here is also plus. So very easy for you. So if we convert into plus, it will easy for you. Now you can see here is we have got a plus b plus c, xy this is a and yz this is b and zx this is c. So a plus b plus c we have got whole square. A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square c square twice ab twice bc twice ca. Now here is xy yz plus minus a minus, plus minus a minus, just I have converted into plus. So this is a position, b position and c position, a plus b plus c whole square. So it is very easy for you. So a plus b plus c whole square. Follow these rules, formula, follow this formula. We can write xy whole square, that means a square, then yz whole square plus we have got a square plus b square. Now here is c position is minus zx, a square plus b square plus c square, then twice ab, 2, here is xy into yz plus twice ab plus here is 2bc. So take 2 bc, b position is yz and minus zx, yz minus zx. We have got 2ab plus 2bc plus 2 ca. So this is c position, this is a position, 2 ca minus zx, and a position here is xy. So we have got a square plus b square plus c square 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here is a position is xy, this is whole square plus yz whole square plus first bracket started minus zx whole square plus 2 into xy into yz plus 2 into yz into z minus zx plus 2 into minus zx into xy. So already we have got this formula. So a square b square c square 2ab 2bc 2ca. Now let's come back here. We have got, if we withdraw the bracket, x square y square plus y square z square minus 1 is a plus. So we have got z square x square, we got here 2 into x, y into y, y square z minus plus a minus 2 into here is x y, here is x y, but z into z, z square. Now you can see here minus into plus minus 2 x into x, we have got x square y and z. So just withdraw the bracket, we have got x square y square z square x square 2 into here is x, y into y, y square, here is z, minus plus a minus 2xy z square, minus plus a minus 2 into here is z into z, z square, x into y, xy, and you can see here is minus plus a minus, here is 2, here is x into x, x square, then here is y, here is z. So we have got we have done maths number 5. Now we will do second method of maths number 5. xy plus yz minus zx. Find the square of. Already we have done the maths using this method, a plus b plus c whole square. Now if you can say more than two terms, that means 3 terms or 4 terms, we can do the maths in this way. At first you have to write therefore the square of xy plus yz minus zx. xy plus yz minus zx whole square. At first you have to given here whole square. Then first to 1 or last to 1. I have taken here is first to 1 is a position. We will go back in this position at first. So xy plus yz I have taken in a bracket, and I have taken in a first bracket, and zx minus zx, this is in different. So this is a position, this is a position, and this is b position. xy plus yz, this is a position, I have taken a position, and this is minus zx, I have taken b position whole square. So we have got here is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. So we can write a square. Here is a square minus twice ab plus b square. That means a square xy plus yz. This is a square minus 2a xy plus yz. This is a and this is b. So we have got here is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now you can see here is a plus b whole square. Here is a plus b whole square. So if it is a plus b whole square, we have to go back again, a square plus twice ab plus b square. So xy plus yz whole square. So this is a plus b whole square. You have to use a plus b whole square. That means xy here is a square plus 2 into xy into yz plus yz whole square. Here is minus plus a minus 2, you have to take 2. 2 here is x into x square, here is y and z, minus plus a minus 2, here is 2. So 2 here is y, here is z into z square, here is x is alone, y is alone. So x y z square, here is zx whole square. So z square x square. Now come back, here is we have got xy plus yz whole square. We have got xy whole square plus 2 into xy into yz plus yz whole square. We have used here a plus b whole square, a square plus twice ab plus b square. Already we have done xy whole square plus 2 into xy into yz plus yz whole square, minus a minus plus a minus. Here is 2, here is 2, xy. So xy into zx. So x into x square, here is y, here is z, and minus plus a minus, here is 2, here is 2. So you can see here yz into zx, yz into zx. That means x 2 into x into y into z square, because here is x into y, xy, z into z, z square. 2 into x into y into z square plus z square x square. Now here is we have got x square y square 2, here is x y square z plus y square z square minus 2 x square yz minus 2 x y z square plus z square x square. So if we can rearrange, just here is a square plus b square plus c square at first. So if you are interested, you can rearrange the maths. So we can write x square y square z square plus z square x square. Here is plus 2x y square z minus 2 into x square y z minus 2x z square. So if you rearrange this math up to this is also correct, and if you do the math up to this is also correct. So we have done today find the square, that means a plus b whole square type maths, a minus b whole square type maths, and a plus b plus c whole square type maths. Okay, thank you all. No more today.